Welcome to an example of a word problem involving fractions. So what does it say to us? It says, yesterday morning, Chastity had $96. She spent 1/3 of it at the mall. She counted her money. Later, she went to the movies and spent 5/8 of what was left after her shopping. How much money does she have now? So how do we figure out how much money she has now? Well, we basically have to take the first fraction, the $96, and she spent 1/3. So what do you do with spent 1/3? Well, we got to find out, we got to multiply by 1/3. We got to find out what 1/3 of the 96 is, don't we? Right? We got to find out 1/3 of 96. Of is multiply. Do you remember that? So that'll help you to remember. Of is multiply. So 1/3 of 96 is 1/3 times 96. How do we do that? Put this over 1, right? When a whole number is interacting with a fraction, put it over 1. Cross cancel. 3 goes into 96. Use your calculators 32 times. And then multiply what's left over. 32 times 1 is just 32, and there's just 1 on the bottom, so that's just 32, because this 3 is gone, and this 96 is gone, right? So it's just 32 times 1 over 1, 32. So $32 is what she spent, right? Because she spent 1/3. So if she spent $32, then how much? She has 96, and she spent 32. So that leaves what? 64 left. So she's left with $64. She counted her money. She counted $64 left, it must be. Then, so there's number 1. So there's the spent 1/3. And then down here now she counted, she spent 5/8. So down here we'll spend 5/8. So she gets 64 left. 64 left multiplied by 5/8 because she spent 5/8 of the $64, didn't she? Of means multiply. 5/8. It doesn't matter what order. If you put the 5/8 on the right or the left, it doesn't matter. 5/8 of 64. She spent 5/8 of the money left, the $64 left. She spent 5/8 of 64. So times. Put this over 1. Cross cancel. 8 goes into 64 8 times. What are we left with? 8 times 5. 40. These are gone, so it's just over 1. So that's just $40. Careful now, that's not the answer. That's what she spent, right? She spent 5/8 of 64. She spent 40. So she had $64. She spent 40. That is 24 left in the end. And that's the question. How much money does she have now? $24. When all is said and done, Chastity has $24 left. So we have to do it in 2 phases like that.